Thank you everybody for the calls. And I love keeping these out of the landfill. So let's get this one on the truck. Boom. Come on, Grandpa. Drop it down. Man. They don't make them like they used to, that's for sure. And as you know, I like this part. And I get to go for the ride. Just don't fall off when you're done, Grandpa. Slide it on. Oh, good morning. Thank you. All right. Get that one off the list. Let's go to the next one. Thanks, kids, for coming along every morning. Oh man, satellite dish. Love getting these too. Boom. And the heavy old bass. Love it. On to the next. Beautiful morning. All right, got us a file cabinet and a little bike. Poor little bike is cute, but it's missing a pedal. But here we go. Boom. And then Mr. File Cabinet. Here we go. I like the sound of you going boom too. Here we go. Oh, on to the next. Thanks for coming. Man, I'm gonna have to make some room in the truck. Good problem to have. Let's go, Grandpa. Get that barbecue, get that exercise bike, and away we go. I had a little later start today. That's okay. It all works out. We do what we do. And we're getting ready to go to daylight savings time, switching over. And that's coming sooner than later. I think it's coming up this next Sunday. So mark it on your calendar if you haven't already. Get this one up and in. Appreciate everybody for the calls, keeping this stuff out of the landfill. Just absolutely love it. I'm not too worried. Usually I'm pretty quiet in the mornings, but like everybody's getting ready to go to school and stuff. So if I slam bang a little, I ain't too worried about it. You know, I'm not making anyone all that angry, you know, with all that. So we just keep on rolling. And again, keeping it out of a landfill is the key. And that's what we do. And that's what we do best. Make room for the barbecue, and away we go on the down elevator. Springtime is coming too. I look forward to people replacing their barbecues. People have been digging them grills, the griddles. I mean, like it's like a big metal plate. Yeah, griddle, not like grills like these are. Another trippy thing is some communities, they don't have I guess I just should say some people, they'll just give me the barbecue with the propane in it. So I'm really grateful for that, because I'm able to have barbecues all year long on that propane that they just didn't know what to do with. So again, I thank you. Let's go to the next stop. Don't drive too crazy and have any of this stuff fall out of the truck. And away we go. Boom, gotta be safe. Good morning, we got a nice list this morning, and we got it early because you can see I'm driving in the dark. But remember, this Sunday we're gonna spring forward. So let's get on it, Grandpa. All right, we got 3 of them. If this is metal, I can, boy, I'm gonna fill up the whole truck right now. What a blessing. So let's go, Grandpa. I don't want to be too crazy or too loud. It's a beautiful dawn, but at this first stop, I got 2 washing machines, a dryer, trash compactor, and a steel dishwasher. Like, wow. But I want you to see, got to put the brake on, leave it in reverse, don't die. And let's go to the next stop. Thank you. All right, ironing boards, they don't weigh much, but keeping my community clean. Throw it in the back, Grandpa. That's a pretty good score today. Beautiful day. Yes, we're at the scrapyard. Going to finally dump this load. Took a couple days to build this load up, and just making sure that it's safe for me to get in there. All right, we made it in. Let's start dumping it, Grandpa. They say it never rains in Southern California, but we got a little bit coming. That's all right. The grind is real. Let's go. Don't drop it on yourself, Grandpa. All right. Ba-boom. Bye. Don't slip, don't trip. We'll get it later. Trash compactor, you gotta go. Bye. Definitely don't want to slip. All right. Little by little. And goodbye. Woof. Reversion chair. Satellite dish. Bye-bye. Oh. Takes this little love bug off. I thought I lost it. I had to stop. I had to because I didn't want to. I thought I dropped that big old light metal shelf driving on Figueroa, but I did not. That was a good thing. Do not ever want to drop anything ever. All right, little by little, boom. Bye. I get people telling me, hey, save those washing machines. There's a guy in another local city by us will buy them. And I'm respectful, I get it. But like, I don't have the storage for this stuff. I can't, you know, like, I can't set 5 washing machines in my front yard in LA. Just ain't happening. So what I get goes. It's gotta get gone. And I've literally had guys like want to like, I'll dump it and they'll throw it back on their truck. I've given it away. But you know, not against it, just don't have the spot to keep it. So it's gotta go. Kind of like these VCRs and DVD players. Bye. Oh, mate. I'll say, hey, save the stainless. Same problem. You know, I could save the brass and the copper. You know, that's not too bad. You could cut it down, store it in smaller containers. I get it. All right, we got it cleaned out. Let's sweep it out. Let's get weighed, get paid. Guy's picking up a motor right next to me. They're filling up the truck right next to me with metal. Man, this place is jumping. Look at that engine go, or transmission. All right, tail of the tape, cleaning up in the community, and we ended up with 1,300 pounds. That's a couple of days and stuff stacking it on the white truck, and not too bad, 117. And honored to do this, and be safe out there when you hustle, kids, even in the rain in Southern California.